Oh no.
Leo, come back here.
Here, Leo.
Over here. Here we go.
Here, watch Daddy.
Wind caught that one bad.
Maybe if it goes in, it went.
If it goes with the wind, then he has a little bit of a better chance.
Yeah.
But it is a styrofoam airplane.
Here, Leo, watch.
Woo!
Okay, Leo, I got it.
Hey, stop. Stay in the yard.
Stay in the grass.
Yes, Leo.
David. David.
Leo, look.
He's trucking it now.
Whoa.
You get it? For the...
Throw it back. Stay in the grass, please. That's a good way to bring it back. Play in the grass. Whoa!
Oh no, up the stairs.
Up
It's
the stairs?
it's trying to go up the stairs, isn't it?
It goes on the roof of our...
No wind now.
Right. Oh,
Oh yeah.
Crash.
Boom.
it is kind of lopsided.
It is a little bit.
They used to be better. They used to come with stickers. And you could-
Leo, did you see the lion?
A giant.
Oh!
In the tree.
And a tree. And a plane.
Tree.
A plane egg.
Oh, those have to stay.
Those
there,
are
buddy.
decorations,
Those are
honey
just
bunny.
Those are
decorations.
empty.
And then
Aunt Cindy's playing another trick on you.
a this.
No.
So why-